Good afternoon, fam. This video is too short to be a full-length YouTube video and too long to be a short. So, what I want to show you is one of my favorite freight cars. It's a bulkhead flat car from ExactRail. Now, ExactRail has been sold to Scale Trains, so it's part of the Scale Trains empire. But I really like this bulkhead flat car. Let me show it to you. All right. There it is. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, there it is. And I really like it. They give you these little, I guess, balsa wood things to, you glue into, you glue in here, to set them in place. I haven't done it yet, but basically they go there. And if you notice on the trucks, they have writing on the trucks, and it's a very highly detailed model. It's really, really nice. Now, what I want to do with this bulkhead flat car is I want to weather it, and I want to add a load to it, but I want to do it right. So I'm not going to do it now or in the foreseeable, like next few months or whatever, but maybe I will. But I want to research it. I want to go online and I want to see pictures, and maybe even there's videos available of what they look like in revenue service. How grimy are they? Where are the dirty, grimy collection points on there? And what should I do to the flat part? How should I paint it? Is it a wood, or is it or is it the prototype metal and across there? And what do I do? How do I want to weather these wood pieces? So yeah, that's going to be an upcoming project. So if you got any tips, hints, or ideas, put them down in the comment section below. Would love to hear what your thoughts are. And again, this is one of my favorite freight cars. So anyway, guys, talk to you later.